back to my channel. I'm Denny, and today is Friendship Friday. I have some Gonz family mail that came to me from my friend Sarah, Beauty Obsession here on YouTube. She sent me a little birthday gift, and we're gonna go ahead and unbag this. So let's see what she sent me. Super grateful for every gift that I've received. I've not asked anybody to send me anything, but they're so sweet that they just keep sending stuff. So let's go ahead and see what she sent me. I have no clue at all. Ooh. So right on top I see some nails. You know, she knows that I love some nails. Of course I don't have any right now on, but these are super cute. I don't even think I have this print. She also sent me, there's a few more packs. These right here, oh, these are so cute. I already have this print, but I love when I have dupes. She doesn't know this, but sometimes I don't want to use what I have because then, like, they're one-time use, so then I'm not going to use them again and they get thrown away. So if I want to reuse a certain pattern, I have to go and buy them again. And since these came from Canada, these are making me super excited. So, oh, she also sent me the Sally Hansen's Salon Effects. I used to love wearing these. I actually, you know what I do with these? I put these over press-on nails to change the look, and they work just as well as when you put them on your regular nail bed. So thank you for those. She knows I love some nails. She sent me a card. Let's see what this has inside of it. And I will be placing this on my card wall. Today is the start of something good. Look at that. That is so cute. And on the inside it says, "Another year in the amazing life of you. Happy birthday, Sarah." Aww. She wrote a little note in there as well. She was saying, sorry that it was late. It does not matter if it was late. You sent me something regardless. So, ooh, OMG, there's some face masks. Look at these. Oh, what? This is pumpkin. I've not had a pumpkin mask. Okay. And then this one's pomegranate. This, I've never seen this Mediheel brand ever. So, like, these are so cool. I can't wait to try these. And there's still so much stuff. She sent me a sample of the Urban Decay Vice. These are glitters for your lips. Look at this. She knows I love samples, and I haven't done Sample It Sunday. I've been slacking. Forgive me for that. But these are cool. Can this be used, besides lips, can they be used on the eyes? Or is it not for that? Anyway, we'll have to see. But that is cool. And then she sent me some anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask. Eye mask. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yes. Slay with the gold patches. I was just telling Carlos, my husband, that I was running out of these. Or, well, I don't have this brand in particular, but I was running out of the, like, gold patches for under my eyes. And just like that, she sent me this. I'm so excited. These are my happy hands and I get excited. And there's a nail polish in here. Ooh, look at this blue. I likes a lot. And yet more stuff in here. There's a, oh, she sent me a Morphe brush. So I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I have like 2 Morphe brushes, if that, and I've got them all through other, like, bags. This is so soft. I've gotten them through other bags, and I don't have, like, too many. I have 2 Morphe brushes, so I don't have many of them at all. This one's a contouring one, and I just recently started to dabble in the whole contouring, so I'm super excited for this. And this is a lip, it says glazing over intense lip color glaze. Ooh, and look at that shade. Yes. And I feel like one more thing is in here. Is this another? This is a nail polish. I think it is. This is a Lottie London nail polish. Oh, ooh, look at this blue. This is super cool. Like, this one has the shine, and this one is more like, I don't know if this is matte, but this one's like more deep. This one just has some like shine to it. These are cool. Fun fact, I love blue nail polishes actually. So I like anything that has color, and I feel like these girls just know me. I can't wait to play in all this stuff. She is awesome. She sent me so much stuff. Sarah, thank you so much for sending this gift my way. You're amazing, and thank you. So right there, that was my Friendship Friday, and I love, more than anything, I just love the cards. So if you ever want to send me a card, my P.O. box is always in the description bar. I love receiving like cards from people, so if that's something that you want to do, I gladly take that. I don't even, like, all of this is extra. So thank you. If you like this video, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and check out Sarah's channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.